Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently bought a smartwatch and want to connect it to your T-Mobile plan, the process may seem a little confusing at first, especially if this is your first time setting up cellular service on a wearable device. Many people expect the watch to work automatically, but sometimes calls, texts, or mobile data will not activate until the smartwatch is properly linked to the account. Since some smartwatches can work independently from a phone, while others need pairing first, following the right setup order can save time and prevent activation problems. The good thing is that once everything is connected correctly, using your smartwatch for calls, messages, and data becomes much easier. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add a smartwatch to a T-Mobile plan. Try these. Step 1. Check if the smartwatch supports cellular service and is compatible with the T-Mobile plan. Step 2. Open the setup app connected to the smartwatch and begin the mobile plan activation process. Step 3. Sign in to the T-Mobile account linked to the smartwatch to manage plan options. Step 4. Choose a wearable line for the smartwatch if the account asks to add a new device. Step 5. Complete the activation steps shown for the smartwatch and wait for the connection to finish. Step 6. Test calls or mobile data on the smartwatch and confirm it connects properly to the network.